Let me help you with the definition of semantic relevance scoring in regards to generative engine optimization. So I'll give you the technical explanation, and then I'll give you more of a layman's explanation to help with your understanding. So a scoring mechanism used by generative engines to rank retrieve sources based on how closely their meaning aligns with the user's query rather than keyword matching. In generative engine optimization, this helps explain why a page that generally answers the intent behind a prompt can outperform a page that merely repeats the same words. It is about meaning match, topical fit, and answer usefulness at retrieval stages. So this particular terminology is quite useful in establishing one of the distinctions between SEO and GEO. So SEO, as we all know, you would tend to structure your content to have the same repeated phrases multiple times throughout an article, because that was how the algorithms actually worked in that capacity with the traditional search browsers. However, moving over to GEO, where we're dealing with the AI algorithms of the chatbots, their functionality and directives is to derive the meaning. So they want to get the most semantically relevant source and provide that to the user solely for accuracy, basically to give you the best answer possible. So an example of semantic relevance scoring where you would win is, let's say, for example, if you had a restaurant and a page obviously explaining about the particular food that you offer. Let's say it's a steak meal that is highly popular. You might go on in that article to explain the ingredients that you would use. You might then have a video showing it actually being cooked. You might then have another section at the bottom showing some awards that you have won from somewhere. So all of these different elements are semantically relevant to somebody searching in the best steak restaurant near me. So obviously there would be a location element there that you'd want to put in the article to win that particular query. But I think you get what I'm trying to convey. It's just making sure that there's not much topical drift from the main intent in the prompt that the user is using in the AI chatbot. So I hope that's made it a little bit clearer for you there. If you'd like to know more on how to optimize your website for all the different AI chatbots, then have a look at our AI platform optimization guides in our menu. And in the same menu, we also have our GEO Skills Hub, which tells you the core 7 elements of generative engine optimization that you can apply to make sure that your website's content has the best chance of surfacing in AI platforms. Okay, as always, guys, thank you so much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in a new video. Take care now. Bye-bye.